I say Misaka product we a Oraimo product what's saying vibrate to the rhythm a necklace light. Okay, Misaka this product na mommy unboxing and share CD is it here. So Misaka me share a adaka no ho as the packaging no e should anye secure sa amwamwa as the obi cry should I as obi should be, but I don't know. I think this might have something to do with the handling of the package, you know. Ebia omo ede mo omo de ba no. Omo na bia omo handling. So I think say bia package is not that secured. But anyway, yeah share there. So what share enemy say now who say omo draw a necklace na to a scene here. Necklace light. All right. I mean be cause my say your sticker be that say arrow which might be for but say there's no anything, you know. I think it may be free I say so mine being free and yeah show you okay. Okay, so we have for seeing it here. I just we know so just paper and quantum. So I think so be so handway. All right, so we won't say we book preparation a welcome guide. So I'll get to that welcome guide later. Here's the necklace. A color blue with green buttons. We have a say rubber no sweatshirt no so a color green. Okay, we have a seen it here. So we need wires kakra. That's a design be one I did not kick. Wow, design for seen it some motion here. That's a green na kakamo. All right, so I shall add a carry home beam. Find me the okay. See we a rubber near shake the share soon cushion no. Mama extra 4 and show you so okay, very type C. Yeah, and the charger. Na charger need yes and I say we obi I'm to and I'm working me. Okay, so we again animation let's subway go on charger and cushion and add an ankasani. So I see no wow a flexible I'm saying to me bend then cry. Okay, that's a honor bedding but flexible, and I think say flexible no I don't know whether say good and a good idea or not good idea, but I'll be using this for maybe a week or more. Then I'll do a review about a necklace way. All right, so I no cry say I no steam woman say magnet so okay a magnet so a check see it here. Okay, so this is the Oraimo necklace lights. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.